So most of you are asking that will everyone get the swags in the technical scripter 2026? So here we'll cover some of the FAQs, some of your guidelines. So let's start. But before we start, make sure you subscribe the channel and do like the video. So coming over here, first of all, how to register, it's simple. I've shared the link. Here you have to sign in with your Google account. Okay. Now here some of the criterias for the prizes, because most of you want to know about the prizes only. So rewards, there are separate categories like daily winners, consistent winners, editor choice, and multiple. Will cover one by one. So daily winners, there are 10 categories. If you see over here, let me just show you. There are 10 categories, okay, like work experience, interview experience, campus experience, admission experience, puzzle, and like this, there are all 10 categories in which you can work on any one or multiple categories also. There is no issue. Now, they'll be just picking up 10 winners daily, means every 10 day, means every day, sorry, daily, every day they will be picking up 10 winners from all these categories, means one category, one winner is there. But that does not mean you will not get the swags. There is another challenge. Do not worry. Now, how the daily winners will be selected? They will be selected based on the highest engagement, means the number of likes and comments. Who is having largest or highest will be getting the swags of daily winners. Here you'll be getting rupees 500, maybe cash or maybe in form of gift card, which will be revealed later on. Coming to the next topic, that is the next FAQ, that is the posting streaks reward prize. Okay, so participants who maintain consistent posting streaks, means who is posting daily till 15 day, you'll be getting a GFG t-shirt and 500 rupees. If you keep continue till 30 day also, you'll be getting GFG t-shirt and 1500 rupees. Okay, so everyone gets the swag, so make sure to take the benefit of it. And there is editor choice also. So if your article is best among all, means not copied, not blindly followed, just your original, then you'll be getting 1000. See, chances are there you can appear on multiple categories also, like you can be in daily winners also, or edited choice also, or posting also. So depending on your article, how it reflects. Now there are mega engagement rewards. So the top performers will be rewarded these many prizes. You can see, apart from these, you'll be getting a paid freelancing opportunities with 40,000 per month, because they are giving you opportunities to work on these things. Okay, if you are having skills, you can just perform well and get some cool internships also. Now the basic thing what you need to do here, you have to share your thoughts, means whatever you feel about these topics. Here you have to write your article related to any category like interview, exam preparation, campus experience, work experience. Similarly, you have to just post it over here. So you need to just click on this GFG Connect and just share your thoughts. You have to just open it in new tab, and it's just like a Facebook. If you have seen here, only you have to post your thought and just upload it. If you want, you can upload the images also. Here you can see multiple options are there, like whether you want to write article, your thoughts, your experience, etc. Okay, so like this you can make all the things. So these are the things. Maximum you can make three posts per day. Okay, and make sure do not copy paste and do not self promote. Okay, so all the things are mentioned over here. You have time from 37th of January till 27th of February. So try to register it. It's very easy. And that's all about this video. If you still have any doubts, you can let me in the comment section. Thank you. Have a great day ahead.